So currently I'm stuck inside the goat pen and they're outside of it because Mister's decided to be extra nice today and try to kill me. Currently I'm waiting on rescue. Wow, just wow. I'm surrounded. I'm not getting out. That's why I can't have nice things. This is it. Oh, really? Lord. Oh no, get down. Baby girl goat. No, you gotta get down, baby girl goat. Oh my goodness. How am I gonna get out of this? Oh no! Oh dear! Oh no! No, no! No, no, no! Everybody down! Everybody get down! Oh boy. Mister, do not get on the hood. Do it, Mister. Baby girl, get down. Oh, good Lord.